Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to make special French toast. Okay, so I want you to be with me. Stay tuned. Okay, so what are our ingredients? So we need 4 eggs. So I have my 4 eggs here and milk. You can use any kind of milk that you have at home. And then we will need a little bit of cooking oil. That's the only ingredients that we have. Okay, so now I'm going to crack my eggs. Okay, so you need to beat your eggs nicely. So if you want to have more taste, you can add salt or pepper, that's fine. So, but for me it's fine. So, I have 4 eggs. Now I'm going to add milk and mix it together. So you can add like 1/4, 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, so mix it nicely. And now it's time for dipping our bread. Okay, I forgot. We need our ingredients are bread, eggs, and milk. Okay, so now it's time for me to dip my bread. Okay, so you can just dip it like that. So I put cooking oil in my pan, and then now if it's ready or hot, you are going to put your bread, the one that you soaked with egg and milk. Okay? So do not put your bread long time inside your this bowl with milk and egg because they will become super soft. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and click like. And that's Joe Goldwing, his YouTube channel. Okay, do you like your Friends toast?
Love it.
Loves it. Okay, marry that Friends. Okay, just kidding. Okay, bye guys, see you next time.